So I just got to Primark and now basically I'm gonna go through their clothes and then I think we're gonna go also through accessories and shoes, so be sure to stick around. I want to show you guys like what's new in the shop. At the same time I will not be able to show you like everything, so I'm gonna show you just like my favorite bits and then everything that I try on basically. Oh my god, so I think this looks really pretty. I love them. I actually got both the color. I'm gonna try them and let you guys see how they look on. I also really like this one. It's not my style, but I think it's like a mood. Oh my god, the outfit this one is actually really cute. I actually really like that as well. Besides, if Friends is your thing, then there you go. I can say I quite like this jeans as well. There's like a rip at the knees. I think it looks good. And this skirt, oh my god, this looks so cute. Okay, so these two cardigans are actually really cute, and if they're not your color, then I think this two might be. Look how cute this is. I love it. Oh my god, this is so soft. I love this big vibe going on. Also, if going to the gym is one of your resolutions for this year, just come to Primark because there's lots of sportswear. And it all seems pretty well made, so... Oh my god, look how aesthetically pleasing this is. So this is like everything that I got so far, and let me tell you, it's a lot. Now, I'm not gonna buy everything, of course. I'm just gonna like have fun and try it on, and then let you guys see how it looks like. And well, I have like a strategy for this time around. It's like the other times when I was trying to do stuff, I feel like everything on this basket in a really messy way, and everything got tangled up. So I'm gonna show you my strategy. So as you can see, everything is gonna like end also on this little basket, so that it's easier to like see everything that I got and take everything off. Whoever did this, I think it looks really good. Okay, so now with this outfit, that's for clear. What do I think about this hat? So this hat is only £3 and I always wanted a hat like that, but now I don't know if I should get it. Oh my god, you had no idea, but my arms are sore because of like all the weight of this clothes. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, so let's try them on. So as you can tell, I got quite a few things to try, and these were not even like everything that I got in my basket, so also got these pair of jeans. So I wanted to try this with this shirt right there, but I feel like it looks totally good also with the leggings that I'm currently wearing. I mean, isn't this an outfit? I love this shirt. I think it looks super nice. It's super lightweight. I really love the material, and I think we're gonna put these shorts on. Okay, so my mistake, those are not shorts, it's actually a skirt. And well, I'm not sure if I like it, or like, I think the skirt is okay. I don't really like it with this outfit. Also underneath I'm wearing this sort of top, which I think is so cute. The only thing is, it's not really my size, so it runs kind of big on me. So this is how it looked like with the jeans, and I think it's alright. I never tried like Primark jeans, so I'm quite like surprised with them. They're not like my favorite pair of jeans ever, but I feel like they fit quite nicely. Also, this is how like the top looks like without anything on, and I actually quite like it. I feel like with another bra maybe it will work, because I mean, isn't it gorgeous? So I quite like this pair of jeans actually, now that I'm looking at them. So first of all, I realized I like this mirror better than the other one, and second of all, how cute is this shirt? I think it's like definitely something that I would wear, and I quite like also how it looks like with like the light denim wash. I mean, it's pretty nice, right? Okay, can we just talk about the sweater? I mean, isn't it everything you ever wanted in a sweater? Look at that. It's so baggy, it's so soft, it's so comfy, it's so cute. I actually love it. Also, I'm pretty sure it was meant to be like this way, but I feel like, you know, the out shoulder vibes looks better, so I love it. Also, I think this is like super extra baggy. I got it in a double extra small, so I think it's like meant to be super baggy, and well, I don't mind. I actually brought it also in pink, so I'm gonna try the pink one and we'll see which one I like better. So this is how it looks in pink, and I think it looks quite nice. It also looks like a sweater that I wanted to get from Zolful, so I don't know if I should get it in pink or if I should get it in white. I do not need another pink sweater, but at the same time all the pink sweater that I got are quite oldish, so I don't find myself wearing them that often, and this is really nice. And I've been saying to my mom how I actually need some sweater because I don't have like a lot of sweaters here, so I think this is like really perfect for that. Okay, no joking, I can totally see myself wearing this. I kind of like this sort of like burnt orange burgundy type of color, and I also really like this sweater. I think it looks so cool. It's so lightweight, and well, the material is not like the softest thing ever, but I think it's quite nice at the same time. Okay, how nice does it look like now that it's stuck in some jeans? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So this is how the top looked like without the bra on, and I do have to say it definitely fits like better type of thing. Still pretty loose because I'm pretty sure this part right here is supposed to be like really close to your skin and stuff, but I don't mind it. I think it looks nice. I might get it. Also, I'm pretty sure this is the type of thing that you're not meant to wear with a bra, so I think we're good, and I am obsessed with it. I don't know what to do with the rest of the clothes that I tried on, so you better stay tuned for my Primark haul to figure it out. So I know that I showed you this outfit already, but I mean this jacket with this top and then my black jeans that are like ripped at the knees, how cool would that look like? Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. I like how to take things in here just to try and then actually end up liking them. It's like a joke. Also, I think I decided for the pink one because I mean it looks so cool also with my leggings now, and well, I know some of you guys may hate these leggings, but they're honestly my favorite one, so oh well. I mean, it just goes with the vibe, right? I also quite like this one just to like lounge around the house. I think it's super comfy and it's also like lightweight, like I said. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, send help please.